have the cookie dough we are mixing up. I'm mixing it up first. Yeah, and I can lick and I can eat all of it. Hello guys. I am second Daddy's Harper, and we are gonna make chocolate chip cookies, and they're gonna be so yummy, and we are gonna make them, and we are gonna eat them after we cook them. I need to do your wee-wee. I need to do your wee-wee. Yay! I'm gonna get the bowl and the spoon. Oh, okay. Okay, that's chocolate chips, and that is eggs, and that is the cookie mixture, and that is the bowl and spoon. We need to mix it all up, and we put all of those in there. Can I eat some of those? Okay, can I eat? Yum. Auntie, do it. Auntie, do your butter. Auntie, do your butter. Okay. I just want to eat more. I just want to eat a bit more. Okay, can you do it? Oh, goodness. It all up. No, can eat. Yummy. We are gonna grab a spoon and put it on the tray. Yay! Big one! A poo. That was a poo. It goes in the oven. Don't I hope you like my recipe and keep watching my shows.